delicious. If you want to learn how to make it, watch till the end. So these are our ingredients for our roasted chicken. As you can see broiler, some spices where we have salt, garlic, pepper, paprika, ginger, curry, thyme, and oregano. So now we are going to be cutting the wrap of the chicken. As you can see, this chicken leg. So I'm trying to open it. So you are going to open it up. Then we cut the stomach. We dissect it. You know what I'm talking about? So we are dissecting the stomach. Yes. See that? So yeah, bag. So look at the legs, yakata. So now I'm going to remove the bum. We don't want that. Remove the bum, but bye. Also the excess skin, I don't like it. I don't even know whether it's the head or the neck. Please, some people they have long neck in this world. Now wow. Okay, so we'll be removing the thrombosis, the clotting of the blood. We don't want that. We are not vampires. So now we are going to be cutting lemon. I'll be using lemon to wash the chicken. Please, I don't want to have infection because of I want to eat good food. You know what I'm talking about? So wash it up and ensure it's all clean and sparkling. Now I'm adding olive oil, massaging it. This chicken, you are enjoying. Oh, wow. So I'm massaging in and out with my gloves on. And I'm done with the massaging. So I'll be mixing the spices to rub in. Also I'm rubbing it in. Ensure that your spices are according to your preference. You don't want it to be too spicy. In and out. Also you massage it. Ensure everywhere is with spices. Don't leave anywhere out. Don't leave anywhere out. So I'm done. So I added a secret spice. So if you want, you can comment down below. So I refrigerated it, and this is it out already. I'm adding more spices to it. I also added pepper, as Yoruba as I do. So it does have pepper, and this is it. Beautiful. So guys, if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe, like, also share and comment. See you guys next time. Bye.